So here we are. I managed to get a place to build a small workshop and have more space for a rig with or rigs. So I got me a few standard stuff like track racer 160. I did a few modifications on it. It's mostly to hold the screen, the 49 curved screen, and added a belt tensioner on it, but I may have to move it up to the hexapod and just build another belt tensioner, probably using a racing lab actuators. I'll have to plan on that. But the progress will be recorded in extent, hopefully, so you can see all the steps or missteps that may happen during this build. But yeah, will be as comprehensive as possible. So yeah, let's get on it. You can see on the video a few parts already assembled, but that was when I decided that I have to document everything. So let's go back to the start. So I got one of the actuators out, and then certain wires here. Now you'll notice that I want to keep this key on it, because all the new actuators now, they have that key to prevent it from slipping if this is not really tight. It's just good improvement. and it already comes with a mount already attached. So in that case, if you had the proper ring, I don't really have one, you can connect it directly on the profile slots, but since this one has a bigger space, I can really do it to this, and I'm gonna be using some special spaces for that to do this. We'll see when it's time how all this is gonna be put together. For now, we will put the servo motors on the actuators, get going. Have a little bit of helper tools. The smaller one that will be to tighten the link, the bigger hex key that will be for the screws to mount the motor. And of course, if you have electric screwdriver, it will help, so you don't have to strain your hands. Alright, let's get to it. When it's going left, the extensor does not extrude on a reductance calculator, so make sure you put it down the flat part of the axon to the right button. Okay. Now find the key to be the same motor. Put them together. Small gun, that must be really tight. We tighten the screws. Let's go. So once it comes in, you can guide them without the screwdriver to start. Go faster. Set the torque. Right. Back on the flat side. That's it. This actuator is now ready. Let me zoom out so you can take a better look. So this actuator is all ready to be mounted. That's it. 4 screws. It is ready to go on. Alright, let's do the rest and see how the mounted will go. Be interesting. So another thing to mention that I did wrong on this actuator initially when I was making, I put the cables on the side relative to the mounting. The mounting has to be on the same side with the exit of the cables, because when you put it on the platform you want the cables to be close there, so you can let them down to hide them and do the cable management close to the rig instead of being on the side. So that's a quick note there. So if you made that wrong, make sure to remove all the screws, loosen up the link, and then rotate the correct way. Mount and the wiring on the same side. That's all.
A few moments later.
So I mentioned that we need to mount this on the big piece here of a track racer, which does not have 4 mounting holes anymore. So this won't help us right now. So we're gonna have to remove it so we can attach a spacer anyway for the front side. This is the 160S, which is narrow front. But then on the actuator, we have to install these brackets so we can mount it on this, which will be on there, or directly on the frame using these brackets already pre-installed. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off to replace with this. Alright, so I found this is really tight screwed in, so you won't be able to take it out. Have it in a higher setting. Nothing. So we're going to use this. Gonna use a normal Allen key. Just place it in the corner. I'm gonna get a wrench and just align it, and then twist. We'll use this as a lever. Oh, there it is. Now it's all loosen up. Nice. So that's the easiest way I found to do this without anything special. And it's easy to hold it. It helps. So it's yeah. Oh, there it is. This one I tried it earlier, but let me try it again. Oh, it came out easier because I already tried that in advance, trying to figure out how to get this off. Alright, so you can see here there's mounting holes. That's the only place. That's why I said to make sure the cables are this direction. So we can put the little corner piece like this. So I'm gonna align this piece first. I'm gonna make sure it's all tight. Don't want it to come off because it's gonna be in a place that I won't be able to see. Okay, this one too. Now we can move this back, the spacers, put this tight because I want to use this for reference. Okay, I think that should be good enough. Okay, slowly. And I can tie it those. Okay. Now, so we'll be able to put this on the profile of the track racer. Alright, let's see how that's gonna go. Alright, now I have the actuators already on the mounts. I'm gonna have to put some nuts in there, the nuts. It's I don't want to open the ends, obviously. So the good thing with this, these are the ball bearing thing. I don't know if you can see it there, which you can put them sideways in there. Then they're gonna sit a little bit weird. You can use a small key to rotate it in place. Okay, and then you can slide it where it's supposed to go. And then only put the bolt in there. So we keep it. Now wish me luck. I'm gonna try to jack up this thing. Let me show you how. So I got me those small jacks. So you can see how this will work. I had a few little extra things in there, which I'm gonna use right now, or some rubber feet. I'm gonna use this either. I have some nice gloves there. I'm gonna wear through so I don't scrape my hands. I'll be able to grab the rig. And so this work like this. Lift it, then you can lower it. So I'm just gonna put it there, so I'm gonna try to lift it on the side. Hopefully it won't fall over. Let's see. The challenge will be to put it under it. Lift it up just a bit. There it is. Just here. So. So now to lift it, I have to do it at the same time. So both sides have equal distance. So ensure the there's enough space there to work with. Enough space so you can see it, put below it few T-nuts, mount it, and hopefully get these on, the spacers should be placed in the same distance, so I may have to move I have to put on this side or on this side.